morning student, and today we are going some famous Hindi writers and with some current affairs like our ministers, Indian ministers such as who is the Minister of Defense of India. So obviously you know very well, you can say Rajnath Singh, Minister of Home Affairs, you can say Amit Shah, okay. So Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitaraman and Minister of External Affairs, Minister of External Affairs. So what the name of Minister of External Affairs? Subramaniam Jaishankar. Okay. So let's some famous Hindi writer is first is Bhartendu Harishchandra. Okay. So Bhartendu Harishchandra is known as the father of modern Hindi literature and Hindi theatres. Bhartendu Harishchandra is known as the father of modern Hindi literature and Hindi theatres. He is considered one of the greatest Hindi writers of modern age. He used to write under the pen name Rasa. Okay, so this is some important fact related to Bhartendu Harishchandra. Bhartendu Harishchandra is known as the father of modern Hindi literature and Hindi theatres. Okay, and the next is Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand was famous writer of Hindi literature. He is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. He has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat or Emperor of novels by Hindi writers. Okay, so who is the Emperor of Upanyas Samrat? So you can say Munshi Premchandra. Munshi Premchandra is the Emperor of novels. Okay, and if you ask about some other ministers like Minister of Road, Transport and Highway, who is the Minister of Road, Transport and Highway, then you can say Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari is the Minister of Road, Transport and Highway. Minister of Textiles, who is the Minister of Textiles? So obviously you can say Srimati Irani. Srimati Irani is the Minister of Textiles. Okay. Now the next name is Surikant Tripathi Nirala. Who is Surikant Tripathi Nirala? Surikant Tripathi Nirala was one of the most famous figures of modern Hindi literature. He was poet, novelist, essayist and story writer. His thinking was influenced by Sri Ramakrishnan Paramhans and Swami Vivekananda, while Michael Madhusudan Dutt and Rabindranath Tagore influenced his writings. Ram Ki Shakti Puja and Parimal are his famous work. What is the famous work? Ram Ki Shakti Puja and Parimal are his famous works. Okay, now, so this is the Surikant Tripathi Nirala who write the Ram Ki Shakti Puja and Parimal. Okay, now, if somebody asks Minister of Women and Child Development, who is the Minister of Women and Child Development? So what is your answer? You can say obviously Smriti Irani is the Minister of Women and Child Development. This is clear. Who is the Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers? Who is the Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers? So Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers are D.V. Sadanand Gowda. D.V. Sadanand Gowda is the Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Okay, And who is the Minister of Tribal Affairs? Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda is the Minister of Tribal Affairs. Okay. Department of Atomic Energy. Who is the Department of Atomic Energy? Tell me. Who is the Department of Atomic Energy? Next, Minister of Science and Technology. You know who is the Minister of Science and Technology? Harshvardhan. Okay. And the Minister of Environment, Prakash Jadavekar. Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, again Prakash Javadekar is Minister of Environment and the Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. And the next, our Hindi writer is Rahul Saktanan. Rahul Saktanan is the father of Hindi travel literature. Rahul Saktanan is the father of Hindi travel literature. She was one of the most widely traveled scholars of India, spending about 45 years of his life on travels from he spent about 45 years away from his homes. He is referred to as the Mahapandit, great scholar, for his scholarships Volga se Ganga. Okay, and now the ministers of Ministries Affairs, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Okay, Minister of Ministries Affairs is Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. And the next, Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship is Mahendranath Pandey. Minister of Coal and Mines. Who is the Minister of Coal and Mines? So Minister of Coal and Mines is Prahlad Joshi. Minister of Jal Shakti. Who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? The Minister of Jal Shakti is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Who is the Minister of Jal Shakti? You can say the Minister of Jal Shakti is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Who is the Minister of Animal Husbandry? So Animal Husbandry Minister is Giriraj Singh. And next, our writer is Mahadevi Verma. So some information about Mahadevi Verma is that she is the best Hindi poetess. Mahadevi Verma is the best known Hindi poetess. Mahadevi Verma was freedom fighters. He fight for freedoms, and he is also women's activist and educationist. She is widely regarded as the modern Meera. Mahadevi Verma is widely regarded as the modern Meera. And next, our writer is Jaishankar Prasad. Jaishankar Prasad was the most popular figures in modern Hindi literature. He was one of the greatest poet and dramatists of Hindi literature. His Kamaini is considered one of the greatest epics. Kamaini is considered one of the greatest epics. So one question arises here: who wrote Kamaini? So you can say Jaishankar Prasad wrote Kamaini, and so Kamaini is considered one of the greatest epics in Hindi poetry. His most famous dramas including Skandagupta, Chandragupta, and Drushamni. Jaishankar Prasad wrote famous dramas including Skandagupta, Chandragupta, and Drushamni. Okay, and our next writer is Sumitranandan Pant. Sumitranandan Pant was a very famous Hindi poet. He mostly wrote in a Sanskrit, Hindi, and published 28 works, including poetry, plays, and essays. Love for nature's beauty is quite evident in his book. Love for nature's beauty is quite evident in his books. Okay, so this is some little information about our world famous Hindi writer भारतेंदु हरिश्चंद्र, मुंशी प्रेमचंद, सुमित्रानंदन, सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला, राहुल सक्रानंद, महादेवी वर्मा, जयशंकर प्रसाद, and Sumitranandan Pant. Okay, so let's we continue some others ministers like that. Ministry of Dairying and Fishers. So Giriraj Singh is the Ministry of Dairying and Fishers, and the Ministry of the Commerce and Industry. Who tell the name of ministers who is under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So you can say Piyush Goyal, and the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So which ministers? Minister name is, you can say, Nitin Gadkari. And now the Department of Space. Department of Space. Home Minister. So Department of Space come under PM Narendra Modi. Okay. So Ministry of Department of Space is Narendra Modi. Now the next minister, Ministry of Electronics and IT. So Ministry of Electronics and of IT is Ravi Shankar Prasad. Ministry of Electronics and IT comes under Ravi Shankar Prasad. Who is the Minister of Rural Development and or you can say Panchayati Raj. This is very important question. Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. So you can say Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar is the Ministry of Rural Development, or you can say Panchayati Raj. Ministry of Human Resources and Development. Who is the Minister of Human Resources and Development? So Ramesh Pokhriyal. Ramesh Pokhriyal is the Minister of the Human Resources and Development. And who is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare? Minister of Health and Family Welfare. So you can say Minister of Health and Family Welfare is Harshvardhan Singh. So you can say Harshvardhan Singh is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Now some other ministers such as the Minister of the Food Processing Industries. Who is the Minister of Food Processing Industries? So you can say Harsimrat Kaur is the Minister of Food Processing Industries, comes under Harsimrat Kaur. Okay. Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Who is the Minister of Consumer Affairs? So you can say Ramvilas Paswan. Recently he passed away. Ministry of Consumer Affairs is Ramvilas Paswan. Ministry of Law and Justice. Ministry of Law and Justice, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Ravi Shankar Prasad is the Ministry of Law and Justice. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Who is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas? Such type question is asking several times. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. So who is the Minister? The Petroleum and Natural Gas. So you can say Dharmendra Prasad. Dharmendra Pradhan. Dharmendra Pradhan is the Minister of the Petroleum and Natural Gas. Okay. So this is, and some others current affairs related to our ministry, such as the Ministry of the Defence of India. Who is the Minister of Defence of India? So obviously all of you know Rajnath Singh. And the Ministry of Home Affairs, You can say, and this is Amit Shah, Minister of Finance. So obviously you know Nirmala Sitharaman, and the Ministry of External Affairs, Subramaniam Jaishankar. Now, so let's see some other. Now the next topic is our next topic is newspaper in India. So some newspaper of India is Anand Bazar, Hindustan Times, The Times of India, Dainik Jagran, Rajasthan Patrika, Amar Ujala, Malayalam, Manorama, and the Dainik Bhaskar. Okay. So first we explain one by one. First is Anand Bazar Patrika. Okay. So Anand Bazar Patrika is a Bengali language newspaper published from Kolkata, New Delhi, and Mumbai. It is the most widely read newspaper in India. It was started in 1922. It was started in 1922, and it is published from Kolkata, New Delhi, and Mumbai. Okay, it is started. Anand Bazar Patrika was started in 1922. So, who has been appointed a new chief of Indian Air Force? Who has been appointed a new chief of Indian Air Force? K. Sivan? No. Wrong. Bipin Rawat? No. So, Karnveer Singh? No. R.K.S. Bhadauria. R.K.S. Bhadauria has been appointed as a new chief Indian Air Force. Okay. So, R.K.S. Bhadauria has been appointed as a new chief of Indian Air Force. Now, next, our next newspaper is Hindustan Times. Okay. Next newspaper is Hindustan Times. So Hindustan Times is an English newspaper. Hindustan Times is an English language daily newspaper started in 1924. It has its roots in the Indian independence movement. It is one of the largest newspapers in India in the terms of circulations. Okay, and Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is started in 1924, but Anand Bazar is started in 1922. Clear? Now, and our next current affair is who has been appointed as a new chief of Indian Navy. Who has been appointed as a new chief of Indian Navy? So, Karnveer Singh. Okay, Karnveer Singh has been appointed as a new chief of Indian Navy. Now, the next newspaper is the Times of India. The Times of India is an English language daily newspaper. According to the Audit Bureau of Circulations, it has the largest circulation among all English language newspapers in the world. It is owned and published by Bennett Coleman and Company Limited. It was started in 1838. So the Times of India started in 1838. Then Anand Bazar started in 1922, and Hindustan Times started in 1924. And our next current affair is who is the present chief minister? Who is the present chief of Indian Army? Who is the present chief of Indian Army? So you can say Bipin Rawat. Bipin Rawat is the present Chief of Indian Army. This is clear now. Next, our next newspaper is Dainik Jagran. Dainik Jagran is a Hindi language daily newspaper published by DB Corporation Limited. It was started in 1958 from Bhopal. Dainik Jagran is a Hindi language daily newspaper published by DB Corporation Limited, and it was started in 1958 from Bhopal. And our next current affair is, who is the present Chief of Border Security Force? You can say BSF. Sometimes ask what is the full form of BSF. So you can say Border Security Force. So he is the present Chief of Border Security Force. So what is your answer? Your answer is B.K. Joshi. B.K. Joshi is the present Border Security Force. Clear? So who is the present Chief of Border Security Force? Or you can say BSF. So your answer is B.K. Joshi. This is clear now. Our next newspaper is Rajasthan Patrika. Rajasthan Patrika is a Hindi language patrika. Clear? Rajasthan Patrika is a Hindi language daily newspaper patrika published from Jaipur. Published from Jaipur, Kolkata. Rajasthan Patrika is a Hindi language daily newspaper published from Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Kota and other cities of Rajasthan. It is also published from some of the major cities of India. It is now considered the 5th largest Hindi newspapers of India. Okay, so the Rajasthan Patrika is considered as a 5th largest Hindi newspaper of India. Rajasthan Patrika published from Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Kota and other cities. Okay, Rajasthan Patrika is a Hindi language daily newspaper published from Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Kota and other cities. Rajasthan Patrika is now considered as the 5th largest Hindi newspaper of India. And our next current affair is, what is our next current affair? Who has been appointed as the new Principal Secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Who has been appointed as the new Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So you can say P.K. Mishra. P.K. Mishra is appointed as the new Principal Secretary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now the next newspaper is Amar Ujala. Amar Ujala is our next newspaper. So Amar Ujala is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It was started in 1938. Amar Ujala is started in 1938 from Agra. It is recognized for its authority, honesty and trust. It is the 4th largest read Hindi daily in India. So Amar Ujala is published from Agra. It is started in 1938. This is clear. And now our next current affair is, who has been appointed as the principal advisors to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Who has principal advisors? Okay, this is a P.K. Sinha. P.K. Sinha has been appointed as the principal advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now our next newspaper is Malalaya Manorama. Malalaya Manorama is a daily newspaper in Malayalam language. It is published from the state of Kerala. It is published from the state of Kerala. Uh, it has been published since 1980. It is one of the largest circulate daily newspapers. Malayalam Manorama is published from Kerala, and it has been published since 1980. Okay. So next our current affair is who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of Army Staffs of the Indian Army. Our next current affair is who has been appointed as Vice Chief of Staffs of the Indian Army. So you can say Bipin Rawat, no. Wrong answer. Ajay Pal, no. Kishore Sharma, no. So right answer is Manoj Mukund Narayan. Manoj Mukund Narayan has been appointed as the Vice Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army. Okay. Now, so our next and the last newspaper is Dainik Bhaskar. Dainik Bhaskar, it is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It ranks number 1. Dainik Bhaskar ranks is number 1 and one among the dailies with the total leaderships of more than 16 millions. It started from Jhansi and it was started in Jhansi in 1942. 1942. So Dainik Bhaskar has how many total leadership? Near about more than 16 millions. Dainik Bhaskar is a Hindi language daily newspaper. It ranks number 1 among the daily with total leaderships of more than 16 millions. It was started in Jhansi in 1942. And our next current affair is who is the present Minister of Women and Child Development. Who is the present Minister of Women and Child Development? I will discuss before it. You know very well. Smriti Irani is the present Minister of Women and Child Development. This is clear. Now, our next current affair is who is the current Foreign Secretary of India? Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India? So you can say Vijay Keshav Gokhale is the Foreign Secretary of India. And our next current affair is who has been appointed as a new chairman of Coal India Limited. Who has been appointed as a new chairman of Coal India Limited? So you can say Pramod Agrawal. Pramod Agrawal is the new chairman of Coal India Limited. Clear? Now, our next current affair is who is the present chief of ITBP? Who is the present chief of ITBP? So you can say Surjit Deswal is the present chief of ITBP. So student, I hope all of you understood. And next current affair is who is the present chief of CRPF? Who is the present chief of CRPF? So Rajiv Rai Bhatnagar. Is the present chief of CRPF. And when the Anand Bazar Patrika is started and from which city? So you can say Anand Bazar Patrika is started from 1922. This is clear now. So student, our next current affair is, this is last current affair, who has been appointed as the new chief of BARC, BARC. So Ajit Kumar is new chief of BARC. Okay. So I hope all of you understood about the newspapers and the sub current affair. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.